Hello friends, it's a lovely day here at Aldi because there are some epic Aldi finds that I had to make a video, including one item that's brand new. The manager came out from the back, showed it to me and put it on the shelf for the first time, and it's really exciting. So we're gonna walk around and do what we always do here at Aldi. Show you the deals, show you the ingredients, and most importantly, tell you if it's Bobby approved, meaning does it have best-in-class ingredients that are great for you and your family. Before we do walk around, I also want you to check out thrivemarket.com using my promo link down below. Yes, Thrive is a 7-year supporter of the channel, but the reason why I like them is pretty much anything you get in most every grocery store is on Thrive Market, but it's cheaper. You save about $32 compared to going to the grocery store, and the box comes to your door. And when you click my link down below, 30% off your order and a free gift, and I'll type out a list of all my fave Thrive Market items and put it down below in the description box. Less talking, more shopping, let's go. This chill chest has some really good Bobby approved Aldi finds, starting with this. Let's say you want to get your coffee fix, but you don't want a tall cup of coffee. I've never seen this. Suja, who makes amazing cold pressed juices, makes cold pressed coffee energy shots. Did not think this would be Bobby approved. It is. Number one, it's $3 for a shot. This has 55 milligrams of caffeine, but look what it says right here. 50 milligrams of L-theanine. L-theanine is kind of like an anti-stress thing. So caffeine's good, but this will balance that and bring you down a little bit, and L-theanine is activated by caffeine. Very smart move. And wow, MCT oil powder, amazing for the brain. Coconut sugar to the tune of 3 grams. Functional mushrooms like lion's mane and turkey tail, and this is the mocha energy shot. How do they make it mocha? With cocoa powder, and it's coffee extract. They make coffee extract the same way they make vanilla extract. They grind coffee beans and soak them in alcohol to extract the flavor and the caffeine. Wow, this is super cool. I'm gonna do a shot of this pretty soon. Now, look in the corner here. How often are you gonna find a buffalo style dip or a queso style dip that's Bobby approved? I didn't expect it to be, but when I saw the brand, Good Foods, who makes a really good dip that's sometimes at Costco, I had hope. Buffalo style plant-based dip, perfectly Bobby approved. Cauliflower, carrots, red peppers, touch of hot sauce, almonds and almond butter. Queso dip, same ingredients with almond butter, nutritional yeast, AKA vegan Parmesan. Wow, wow, wee wow. $4.59 for dip. Then, it's very rare you find a clean, gluten-free pizza dough. It's $3.49. Usually gluten-free doughs are unsavory and have a lot of just starches and corn. And while the predominant ingredients are potato starch and tapioca starch, there's a ton of whole grains in here like millet flour, amaranth, and teff, and sorghum. Those are really good ancient grains that are gluten-free. It does have 3 grams of sugar per serving. I can't tell if that sugar is in there to help the bread leaven or not, but not a big deal. And it has extra virgin olive oil in here. One of the cleanest, fresh pizza doughs here in the Aldi chill chest. I would scoop it for sure. This is fantastic to see. I love legume-based pasta, especially when it's a $2.99 for a 12-ounce pack. What do I always say about pasta? I don't want to eat simple carb pasta like wheat pasta. I want complex carbohydrate. And they don't. I repeat, don't get any more complex than legumes like lentil or, more importantly, black bean. You want to see something insane in the membrane? 1 serving of black bean pasta has a whopping 15 grams of fiber and 19 grams of protein. Nutritional powerhouse. 15 grams of fiber? Yeah, I wouldn't even stray too far from the toilet after having my pasta dinner. That's unbelievable. Red lentil rotini, 5 grams of fiber and 22 grams of protein. Compare that to regular wheat-based pasta. Barely any fiber, barely any protein. Simple carb that does nothing but spike your blood sugar when complex carbohydrates like this digest slower and don't have a spike on your blood pressure the same way. $2.99, you toss this with some of that organic Simply Nature pasta sauce, you have the most economical, Bobby approved, nutrient dense pasta dinner for the win. One last Aldi find on the wall here is this, noodles to make ramen or pho. $2.49 for a 8-ounce packet is nice. Now, they have white rice noodles, which I wouldn't get, or brown rice, which I would. I don't like to eat white rice because it's dead nutrition. White rice used to be brown rice, but they stripped away the hull and the fiber, so it's just a simple carbohydrate. I put that back and get the brown rice thaw noodles, but you can use it for ramen as we transition into soup and stew season. It's just brown rice flour and a little bit of tapioca starch to hold it together for $2.49, a great deal. Speaking of pastas, Jovial makes a new gluten-free brown rice pasta mac and cheese with organic cheese sauce. I get it on Thrive Market. It's the only place I can find it now. And I make it for Rose when she has a mac and cheese craving. The ingredients are amazing. Grab it on Thrive Market. When you click my link down below, you get 30% off your first order and a free gift. And once again, I'll type out a list of all my favorite Thrive Market items, both food and personal care item. Try that for sure. And if you want to make economical pho or ramen at home, I would try this. My friends, when I saw this online, I never thought it'd be Bobby approved. They're fall-inspired, Simply Nature fruit strips. The flavors are great for the fall. Apple spiced, pumpkin spice. Look at these ingredients. I thought there'd be natural flavors up the wahoo in here. They're using real pumpkin, real spices, and real vanilla extract. No natural flavors. That's classy as can be, Aldi. And spiced apples with real apples, real spices, real vanilla extract. Wow, wow, wee wow. Do I wish the apples were organic? Yes, because they're on the Dirty Dozen, but still 100% Bobby approved. You scan that with the app, it'll give you a big thumbs up. I get a big thumbs up for that price too. Speaking of pumpkin spice, Leilani and I just left Starbucks. We did a review of the new pumpkin spice drinks, which really should be called pumpkin spice desserts. That short on YouTube will be out probably in a few days. And here's the new item that just came out today on the shelf. Their version, Aldi Simply Nature Hearts of Palm pasta. They basically knocked off palmini, and that's a good thing because it's even cheaper. $2.89, just like the other ones. I love it because the ingredients are clean. Hearts of palm, salt, non-GMO citric acid. But once again, you get the fiber. You get low carb, so it's great if you're keto, diabetic friendly. But 2 net carbs per serving with 2 grams of fiber. If you watched my video last weekend about the best gut-friendly foods to eat this fall, I kept saying fiber-rich foods and fermented foods are so good for your gut and immune. Fiber-rich foods feed your gut bacteria, and considering that 80% of the cells that make up your immune system live in your gut, eating foods like this is so good for you, and now it's also good for your wallet because wow, wow, wee wow. Given the fact those fruit strips were Bobby approved, I was hoping pumpkin spice and apple cinnamon clusters would be Bobby approved too. Unfortunately, they're not. I do like some of the ingredients like coconut and pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds actually are very high in zinc, which is great for this time of year. But unfortunately, they're using natural flavors and the sugar is 1 teaspoon per serving. So we'll put that one back. But on a more positive note, choose your side of the poll. This one or this one? This. If you're keto and you want rice, this is a great option, but I saw the manager walking to the other aisle. There's another Aldi version of this that's really great too. This is palmini rice. It's hearts of palm rice. It's just hearts of palm and sea salt and non-GMO citric acid. This is nice because yes, it's low carb and has 4 grams of carbs per serving. Actually, it's 2 grams of net carbs because 4 minus 2 is the net carbs, and 2 grams of fiber also make it a prebiotic. Fiber-rich foods feed your gut bacteria, so you're getting a prebiotic, you're getting low carb, you're getting an Aldi find for $3.49. You pair this with like a steak or some of that grass-fed ground beef over there, great dinner. All right, friends, that is it from Aldi. Really good Aldi finds. Hightail it down to your store and look for that Aldi brand Hearts of Palm pasta in the middle aisle. Also check out thrivemarket.com. Use my promo link down below. 30% off your first order and the free gift. But that is it from Aldi. I leave you like I always do. Hashtag keep on cooking. Mad love and peace. Later.